So in this video, we're going to be putting some badges on my truck. I just got them engraved and I got a bunch of other stuff done to them. So stay tuned and check it out. Okay, so for the longest I've been having holes in my fender since it's been pretty much wrapped up for the most part. But people always ask me all the time why I haven't put badges on my truck, and it's kind of been, I just don't want to put the OEM style badges on it, and there's really no good aftermarket badges. So I decided to get some ones custom made, and for the longest I couldn't ever find anybody who wanted to do it for me. They just kind of would blow me off and or just tell me it'd be too expensive to do. Well, eventually a company basically said I'm able to do it, and they made them up for me. I had a drawing and everything, and got them all made up. Well, I had them for a few months, and I still hadn't put them on my truck, and I still was getting questions about it. Well, I had sent them off to get engraved by Artisan Engraving, and I finally got them. So this is my first time opening them up since I've gotten them back. So that looks friggin' awesome.
Oh my God, hang on, it doesn't show up on the camera. It's like a giant blob of light.
Let me move it.
Yeah, that's a little, here, hang on, I need to get closer. Oh my God, this is not good video taking. Oh, there we go. Yeah, move it around a little bit. Oh yeah, those look nice.
That looks pretty cool. So I've seen pictures of them that they had sent to my brother when he had asked about them, but they turned out way better than I could have even imagined. So
These look a lot
this
better
is pretty
even
cool
in person than they did on the thing. Well, and then you also got 3M tape somewhere that just showed up too.
Yeah,
That way we can get them more.
3M tape. So there's the other one. They're both pretty similar. They're not the exact same, but
All right, let's go take them and hold them next to the truck.
yep. Try to cover up the holes. Yeah, that's awesome.
That is not
Go-
as good of a reaction as the first
Goes.
time.
We didn't record my initial reaction, but that looks good. With the antenna?
Now I want to see it. You're gonna have to get this thing engraved now. You're gonna have to get a new one, I guess, and then get it engraved.
Yeah.
All right. Hold it up there. I want to see it. I got that side all cleaned up. Got a little bit of alcohol on her, making sure that the badges stick. Same thing with this side. And then we're ready to go. These already got tape on them. So let's see how these bad boys look. All right, wait, hang on. Wait. We have no idea where to put this yet. Go ahead and turn it off. All right, so in here we had already figured out where we want to put this. So he's going to measure from this body line down. We want to be 3 inches below it. So we're going to go make a little mark here with an Expo marker. And we're going to do the same thing on this side, if you can figure out what he's looking at. And then, well, that's kind of wiggly. It's close enough, we'll figure it out. All right, not perfect, but good enough. So, he's just gonna line it up one last time, make sure it looks good. Actually, you might want to come this way smooth. Right there. All right, and then we'll make it the same on the other side. All right, move it for a second. So we'll measure that real quick, that way we know how much to go on the other side. What are you talking about? From that hole. You like it? Alright, so pull this off of the tape and then we'll slap her on there and she'll be good to go. There's no pressure, don't mess it up. It's a one go thing. You need to come down on your left side though. Oh yeah. You like it.
I like it. I like it.
You're committed. Alright, give her a good firm press and hold down because the middle's not touching all the way. Put your whole palm on there, dude. Don't be scared.
I'm bending my fender, dude.
That's okay. That's how it's
Aftermarket
supposed to-
fenders.
Yeah. I think it's more of a Ford thing, but whatever. Yeah. All right, got the badges on. That's how they're looking. Pretty freaking good. Lots of little details on it. Got to get used to looking at them though with the badges on it. Oh my God, dude. This got even worse.
Just stop. Oh.
Whoa! The whole light's about to fall out. Alright, we gotta fix that in a different video. So, anyways, they look pretty good. You know, they look a little out of place just because we're not used to looking at it, but I think he's more than happy with it. He had a company called Artisan Engraving. He might have said this earlier in the video. A company called Artisan Engraving do all the engraving work. We actually seen them at Tailgate and Tall Boys this past, when was that?
Tailgate and Tall, I don't know, this past July.
I don't know, it was in Bloomington. It was earlier this year, or this past year, I guess, technically, no, whatever. But they match his antenna. And we'll have to get this thing done now because it looks like crap now compared to all this other shiny stuff that's been engraved. So here's the other side. Looking pretty good. And then he's gonna get some door handles here soon. So we'll have a video of that too, hopefully soon.
I'm gonna see what it looks like, see if you can see the badges shining.
Oh,
When
okay.
it's dark. Oh, that looks cool.
Well, yeah, it looks pretty good.
All right, well, that pretty much concludes this episode. I got the badges on, but I would have had more clips for you guys, but we didn't have some of the stuff, so we ended up taking my badges over to a buddy's house, and he ended up putting the tape on them and stuff for us while we were just there. So, yeah, we kind of got rid of it a little bit, but they ended up turning out good. I'm happy with them. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one.